richest people. On number 6, there is Ezekiel Guti, is the founders of the congregation from Zimbabwe from God, a Christian Pentecostal church, Zayoja. According to the Forbes, he has an estimated net worth of 130 million US dollars. On position 5, Emmanuel Makandiwa is the founder of the United Family International Church, UFI, in Zimbabwe. He is a popular religion leader. His net worth is approximately 150 million US dollar. Number 4, Moses Tonderai Chingwena is the founder of Croco Motors, an automotive company which operates the Ford, Mazda, UD Trucks and Volvo franchises. His net worth is around 150 million US dollar. Shingai Mutasa, on number 3, is one of the richest businessmen in Zimbabwe. He is the founder of Masawara, a Zimbabwean-focused investment firm listed on the London Stock Exchange, LSE, Alternative Investment Market, AIM, in control companies in the insurance sector such as Zimnet Lion Insurance and Zimnet Life Assurance. His net worth is approximately 2 billion. Second position, Philip Chiangwa is a Zimbabwean politician who has served in the Zimbabwean government. His accumulation of wealth has often been linked to his connection to prominent figures within the ZANU-PF, Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front. His net worth is around 2 billion. Number 1, Strive Masiwa is based in London, a Zimbabwean billionaire businessman. He is the founder and the CEO of the international technology group Econet Global. He is the richest man in the country. His net worth is around 4 billion. To those who are not subscribed, subscribe and don't forget to comment, share and like.